Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do another cocktail out of this cocktail book, the 1937 Cafe Royale. And this is the Coronation edition, or the only edition that was ever printed of this book. Now, I'm asking for some help out there. Everything that I've read says there's only 25 copies of this. I don't think that's right, but that's all I can find out. That's the only information that I can find out. I know that some of you that watch this show work in libraries, and if you can find any other information about this book, that would be fantastic. Please pass it along to me in the comments down below. And today we're going to continue exploring cocktails in this book that you didn't find in North American cocktail books of this period, mostly tequila and vodka. And today we're going to do another tequila cocktail. This one's called the Senorita, and it is gin and tequila. And I'm going to make it with two different gins and see how we work out. So I'm going to start out with this Victoria gin. This is made in Victoria, British Columbia, and that'll be in that one. It calls for lemon juice, so I'm going to put lemon juice in both just to rinse out the jigger. And in this second one, I'm going to use Dillon's gin, and this is a gin that I really like. It's made with rye as its base spirit. Next in is tequila, and I'm using Cazadores. It's tequila that I really like. Oh, bottle's almost empty. And calls for a couple dashes of grenadine in each. I don't know what a dash is. Let's see. Is that a dash? Let's call that a dash. Oh my. Let's even that out. Okay. And now we ice down our tins. Give it a shake. Okay, so a couple of Nick and Noras ready here. And we will pour out the first one. This is the one with the Victoria gin. And this is the one with the Dillon's gin.
Hi, Glenn. Hi,
Hey,
friends. Looks like we've got a gin flavor change.
Gin and tequila. The Senorita.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's gin and tequila. And I've done two different gins because often we find that gin is the component that really changes the whole drink. So yours is Victoria gin,
Okay.
and this is Dillon's gin. Let's give it a go and see what happens. I also have to admit, I had a grenadine accident. So there's probably more grenadine than the cocktail needs.
Okay.
But I tried to even it out. I tried. Wow. What do you think?
I think I prefer this one,
The Dillon's?
but I don't know that either of them are.
Something that I would order.
No, and I don't know if it's the lemon that I'm not that fond of in either of them, or.
I get a really strong pucker in my mouth, but I find that this one is a little more sour, the one with the Victoria gin, and the Dillon's is a little more pointed. Does that make sense?
Do you think that's a reflection of your grenadine accident, or?
I tried to even the grenadine out.
Okay.
I think I got equal amounts in both. Too much, because who knows what two dashes are.
But too much means that you didn't sweeten it enough to overpower
No, not at all.
The lemon. It's still very tart.
Very tart. Yeah, if I had to choose, I would still choose this one, the Dillon's. But I don't know that it's something that I would come back to the bar and have a second one.
No, I am in agreement with that.
Okay, so there you have it, the Senorita from the 1937 Cafe Royale cocktail book. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.